everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So today is a very hot day, so I need to get this cooking done quickly. We're going to be making some real wontons, all right? So come on with me, guys. Now, I have this bag of shrimp, okay? They are deveined, and they are the only thing on them, guys, is the tail. I just rinse everything in the bag, and this is going in. But before we do that, I do have a little bit of sesame oil. Just like to add a little bit of that. Okay, so I'm going to say that was half a teaspoon and just a tiny bit. I'm going to say probably a half a teaspoon of that rice vinegar. Let me show you what that is. Okay, so today I just decided to go ahead and just do a regular, and this is hoisin sauce. All right, so we're going to do a tablespoon. And then we have some onions. So I decided to just do regular wontons because I have not gone shopping, so I'm just using up what I have. Okay, we don't want to go too hard with this. And so using up what I have, and I did buy wonton wrappers. Matthew doesn't always like eating keto friendly or low carb, so we're going to lower this, and we are now going to mix that all up together. Add a little bit of water here. This was kind of hot. And I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and throw the shrimp in. This smells so amazing, guys. So, what are we going to do now? Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some salt. And we're going to add some pepper. I do not have ginger or any of those spices, guys, because like I said, I have not gone shopping. So this is garlic. So we don't want to be shy with that. I love garlic. And I'm just lowering that a little bit. We are going to use some Italian seasoning, or if you have oregano. This is just my house spices, guys, is what I usually use, and then I add from there. Okay, so these are the added ones from there. If I had some ginger, I would add some of that. This time around, I added some hoisin sauce, and we are going to add the Knorr chicken bouillon. The Knorr chicken bouillon. So we're just gonna put a little bit of that in there for flavor, for more flavor. And this is gonna take a few minutes to cook, guys. Like I said, I was using what I had, and we are gonna be using some wonton wrappers. But first, let's go ahead, cook this shrimp. I'm gonna wait until this cooks. Then I have to pull the shrimp out and take the tails off. So I'm not gonna do that while I have you on camera here. All you have to do is just pull the tails off and put them back in. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Then we are going to taste for flavor after I pull those tails off. But I really want to cook the shrimp really good, and then I'll show you the wrappers at that time. So let's cover this. I'll give this about 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at these shrimp. I did put onions. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning. So also, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hosting this collaboration is myself and Jean Home Decor and more. So I would love to have more people join this collaboration. It's one of the easiest collaborations I have, and it doesn't matter what you show relating to food. So let me go ahead and stir this. If you haven't been over to Jean Home Decor's channel, please head on over there. She has an amazing channel. I love her home decor. She does a lot of home life. She just got back from vacation. It's just an amazing channel, guys. Go over there, click the like button, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that I sent you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop some cabbage now. I hope you know that cabbage is going to cook down. It looks like a lot at first. And I don't like those big pieces in there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop all of it. I don't know how we're gonna turn this around, but we are. Maybe I should cook it down and then mix it around. Now we're doing good. Now searching for the shrimp might seem like it's gonna be hard. It's not. The cabbage is gonna cook down and it'll be easy to find the shrimp. And I don't want to add any more spices, so let's just cook it down first, see what it looks like, and then we'll go ahead and adjust the spices. Doesn't that look amazing? I think it looks amazing just like that. If the shrimp were cooked a little bit more, I'm so hungry, guys. So, see, you could already tell it's cooking down. So the lid goes back on, and I'm gonna go throw that out. Let's get this lid back on and cook this. I'll add a tiny bit more water so it can steam through and cook that down. So we'll be back. All right, guys, so I decided to switch this up. Now, I already did a no carb wonton, the last recipe, but it is so hot over here. I already have some steamed rice that I'm just gonna serve this with some steamed rice for myself because Matthew wants something different. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I already tried it. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve myself. Like I said, I already made some steamed rice for him. And I just can't help myself, guys. And I'm hungry and it's so hot. I just don't feel like frying. And so what is the alternative? Well, that's what's good about this, guys. That you can always switch it up and think of something that that you would do alternatively with this dish that I intended to make regular wontons with, shrimp wontons. Well, I am just as happy having it with rice because it is hot. I don't feel like frying. Do you see how amazing this looks? And I just absolutely love it. And I'm gonna show you exactly what that looks like right now. All the burners are off. It is just way too hot, guys. All right, let me wipe this down. And let me show you what this dish is looking like. Okay. Let me bring you over here. This tastes absolutely amazing, okay? Now, I never said it was, this is not a keto-friendly dish. I could have made it that way, but I did not. And this is exactly the way I'm eating because I am so hungry. Look how delicious those shrimps look. I love steamed rice with it. And that is the meal for today. I cannot wait to take you over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.